7 days to go before the much-awaited first-year anniversary of the happiest planet in the universe. Planet Youth Champions, Rise of the Youth, January 22, 2012, 8 a.m., St. John's Cathedral School Gymnasium. Be inspired, be blessed, be there, be a champion.
Ano yung naging open door para mag-join sila sa youth?
Merong activities every month.
I was so excited at the same time, kinakabahan.
Siyempre, natutuwa kami dahil kahit pa paano may monthly gathering.
Nagpa-youth encounter kami before the Planet Youth.
Planet Youth it was just a dream written on paper.
Ang pag-host ng Planet Youth was not just only an step of 1, 2, 3.
Kaya kasi first time namin mag-host ng Planet. Hindi ako pumasok ng review para lang mag-host ng Planet Youth. I'm Dandan Irica Meneses Senti.
Ako po si Richmond Tita Canal. I'm Rodel Reyes.
I'm Christina Maralag.
I'm Larry Soriano.
I'm Daryl Vergumibao. Miracles do happen in Planet